How to fix there was an error processing your request on Uber Eats. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix there was an error processing your request error on the Uber Eats app. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. So you want to check your internet connection by either opening up any speed testing websites, or you can open any other application and check if your internet is working fine. You can switch between Wi-Fi and data and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Uber Eats app. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Uber Eats. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After you have updated the application, open it and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to clear the cache of this application. For that, tap and hold on the Uber Eats app. Now tap on this I button. This will take you to the app info page. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data, but that is not required. Now open the application and then you want to check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then last thing you can do is uninstall the application. Once you have uninstalled this, you want to open Play Store and then have this application reinstalled on your device, and that should fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.